Welcome to Follow In Consultancy. Hi all, we have 4 job vacancies available today. If you find yourself suitable for any of the listed roles, please send an email to the mentioned email ID. Ensure you include the corresponding job code in the subject line and attach your updated resume. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for daily job vacancy updates. The links are provided in the description. Now let's move on to the opportunity. Job code number C7V57. Designation Production CNC Operator. Diploma ITI in Mechanical EE Automobile Production Aerospace Engineering. Fresher 2023 batch, 2022, 2021, 2020 batch. Language Tamil. Gender male. Arias candidate not considered. Whereas age limit should complete 23 years. Vacancy 20. Diploma IT fresher 2,40,000 is the CTC. Take home is 16,500 per month. Note, based on previous experience and salary, the candidate's current salary will be determined accordingly. Transport route Kanchipuram, Poondamalli, Sri Perambudur, SP Koval. Transport free. OT rupees 93 per hour. Rotational shift and this 3 shift. Canteen available rupees 596 per month, and mandatory is immediate joiner, no arrears, overall mark sheet, corresponding degree certificate. If you find yourself suitable, kindly mail us. Now let's move on to the next job opportunity. Job code number C80V10, Korean MNC at Sri Perambudur. Safety officer, general shift. Language Tamil, gender male. Qualification MTech ME Industrial Safety, BSc Environmental Science, Diploma in Occupational Safety, Health and Environmental Management System, etc. Experience 3 to 5 years. Salary 3,60,000 gross salary per annum. Note, salary budget is fixed and non-negotiable. Vacancy 1. Employee benefit canteen facility available. Transport route is also available for the following routes. Note, monthly 2 Saturdays will be full holidays and 2 Saturdays will be half a day working. If you find yourself suitable, kindly mail us. Moving to the third job vacancy. Job code number C3V6, European MNC near Red Hills, North Chennai. Position Production Setter cum Operator, Setting and Basic Programming on roll. Qualification Diploma or ITI, BE qualification not considered. Skills required CNC, VMC, HMC, VTL, FANUC, Siemens. Gender male, experience 3.6 years. Age limit maximum 35 years. Salary maximum rupees 4,20,000 CTC. And take home is 29,200. Vacancy 10. Shift 8 hours rotational shift. Benefits free transport, canteen facility, EPF, ESI, free health and term life insurance. Transport route Ambattur, Gumudipundi, Uttukottai. If you find yourself suitable, kindly mail us to the following mail ID. And the final job vacancy is job code number C71V21. It is a leading Tier 1 auto MNC at Sri City, Tada. Job name Training and Development, designation GET, qualification BTech, EEE, ECE, Mechanical and even MBA is accepted. Experience 0 to 1 years, gender male and female. Age limit 22 to 29. Languages known English, Tamil, Telugu. Field of experience HR, IRPM. Headhunt, any manufacturing industry. CTC range maximum 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. Benefits transportation facility, canteen facility, uniform and shoes, GPA policy and GTLI, sports and cultural activities. and it is 100% free placement for all the candidates. If you find yourself suitable, kindly mail us to the following mail ID.